Welcome back to Buy Smart, where today we're pitting two Intel heavyweights against each other, the Core i9-12900K and the Core i9-13900K. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Starting with the price, the Intel Core i9-12900K is priced at $707, while the newer Intel Core i9-13900K is slightly more affordable at $629. Reviewers have noted that while both processors are on the expensive side, the 13900K offers better value for its price. When it comes to performance, the 12900K features Intel's performance hybrid architecture, making it a strong contender for gaming and demanding tasks. However, the 13900K takes it up a notch with 24 cores, 32 threads, and a clock speed of up to 5.8 GHz. Reviewers have praised the 13900K for its exceptional multitasking and gaming performance, often describing it as a powerhouse. Both processors come equipped with Intel UHD graphics 770, so there's no difference in that regard. Compatibility-wise, both support Intel 600 and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. However, the 13900K might require a BIOS update for the 600 series. Reviewers appreciate the backward compatibility, but note the potential hassle of a BIOS update for the 13900K. In terms of cache, the 12900K offers 30 MB of LH3 cache, while the 13900K boasts 36 MB. This extra cache in the 13900K results in better performance for data-heavy tasks. Reviewers have highlighted the 13900K's efficiency in handling multitasking and heavy workloads, although it runs hotter and may require better cooling solutions. Overall, both processors have received high praise from reviewers. The Intel Core i9-12900K is lauded for its strong performance and reliability, making it a great choice for gamers and power users. On the other hand, the Intel Core i9-13900K stands out for its exceptional multitasking capabilities and value for money, making it the go-to option for professionals and enthusiasts. So what do you think? Is the Intel Core i9-12900K's reliability more appealing, or does the Intel Core i? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Check out the product links in the description if you want to make a purchase. Until next time, keep shopping smart.